contested omnibus that's going to be held in September, and when the judge directed me to have my written motions filed at an earlier time, that is, I specifically have to detail the basis for the contested omnibus, what issues of evidence I'm challenging, and so the prosecution has an idea of what those particular issues are, and also so that he has an idea what officers or other witnesses that he has to have available to take testimony on that day.
I know last time we were talking about you wanted some discovery items. There was like some computer records.
Yeah, and I was provided with some computer hard drives. There's some other records that I've sought from the state, and I still haven't received those, but I anticipate that I'll get them, and there shouldn't be any reason to delay the 6th September hearing. And I'm anticipating that we will, in fact, have the contested omnibus on that date.
Can you talk about the nature of maybe some of the evidence you may be contesting?
Well, at this point in time, I just say that particularly there are some statements that I may be challenging, and there'll be other things, but that'll be fully detailed in the motion that I filed with the court before the court administration before the hearing. As I said, it's the 5th of August is the deadline for that.
Are you able at this point, we were just talking upstairs about her mental health at this point, where she's at in terms of preparing for a trial?
Well, the Rule 20 examiner found her to be competent. One of the things that was a little concerning in the Rule 20 examination is that the examiner indicated that there was some concern that as a trial got closer, that it may affect her mental capacity and it may deteriorate some, and so I'm going to be keeping a close eye on that, because if she does show signs of more mental deterioration, then that's going to be a significant issue as far as her ability to help in her own defense.
How are you currently finding her on your visits to the?
It's been noted in the examination that she's had some real problems with memory, and I find that still, I believe, is an issue.
And then talking about her mental state, there's been a lot more support from the family. Like last time, there was a lot of her family here, and today the courtroom was pretty packed. I'm not sure who was there for who, but
well, her family was here. It's just that they all got herded into onto the side where the prosecutor was. So, if you shouldn't just judge by where people are sitting in the courtrooms, that she had a lot of her family.
Have you noticed an impact on her because her family's been able to be in court now the last 2 hearings?
I think she's extremely grateful for any support that she gets from anyone, including her family. It's, as I indicated last time, you're all presumed innocent. Every accused is, but it seems that oftentimes that is lost in the great scheme of things, and so she's very happy that her family's supporting her, and there are other people supporting her also.
You hinted that it's going to be some interesting stuff. Are people you think are going to be surprised by some of the issues you bring up?
Yes. I won't comment any further than that. My written motion will say what there is to say, and I guess you'll have to just wait for that.